Well, for those of you who don't know me, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel and a lot more things. And आज हम जा रहे हैं IKEA. IKEA has finally opened in Mumbai. Not exactly Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. So हम लोग के लिए road trip type ही हो जाता है. I think we left at 11 in the morning and it's 1:30 and we still haven't reached because we took a lot of break. Shashank wanted a break.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm going with my friends and I'm sure you've met Shashank already and Priyanka from the Lonavala vlog and also the BFF tag जो Priyanka के साथ किया हुआ था. And there's Manisha who's coming for the second time on the channel and she's awkward, I guess. Are you awkward?
No, first was I think Forum's birthday.
Yeah, on my birthday there's just like a small part उसमें जिसमें she's like hi.
Manisha, are you having fun?
Yes, that's it. But anyway, हाँ हम 4 लोग जा रहे हैं on a road trip to IKEA. So let's go.
दूसरे बार ही आई है
Everyone could recollect you. मतलब जैसे
Yeah, I'll leave that part, Manisha.
Yeah. Just वो
She's like,
part
hi.
निकाल देना hi वाला.
Yeah, you're still recording, नहीं ना?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
She is.
उसका शक्ल देखा. तुम लोग embarrass क्यों होता है? Just be your natural self.
Yeah, sure.
Natural self का extra charges लगता है Forum.
मिल जाएगा देखो check. देखो क्या गणपति के ऊपर क्या है ये? धूप लग रही है
धूप लग रहा है हाँ पहले तो वो कपड़े पे रबर बैंड वगैरह डाल चाहिए कपड़ा नहीं हिलना चाहिए वैसे सब भी करते हैं
हम लोग कहाँ पे हम लोग
6
वाशी
minutes
पहुँचे 6 minutes away. घनसोली में आता है ना ये घनसोली के आगे थोड़ा. शशांक यार
ठीक है
कोई नहीं है. एक मिनट दिखा.
अबे नीचे से लेना था.
नीचे से था. ले रिवर्स ले.
बहुत गाली पड़ती है ना
चुप रहे रे मनीषा पागल.
सिग्नल शशांक को एकदम ब्लॉक किया अभी.
यार था सिग्नल अभी वो देखना.
वो वाइट वाले को ब्लॉक किया. ये आई कुड सी IKEA फ्रॉम हियर. हो रहा.
हेलो.
कौन था वो?
कौन था वो? हम लोग अंदर गए तो तुम लोग कुछ खाने नहीं देने वाले कुछ नहीं एकदम. और तुम लोग तो भूल भी जाओगे. तुम लोग घूमते रहोगे. अबे सिर्फ फर्नीचर नहीं है ना उधर बहुत सारी चीजें है. कटलरी है, हाउस डेकोर है. हाँ हाथ में ही है. थैंक यू.
What's the update Forum?
Not picking up.
Who?
Coordinator.
3, 4 they're there. Walk with us guys.
Yeah.
पीछे क्यों गए यार?
अरे तुम लोग आगे. हाँ
Yes Manisha.
Oh. अच्छा लग रहा है ना फर्स्ट लुक एकदम.
Yeah.
शर्ट उल्टा पहना है क्या?
नहीं
पीछे उसका वो है ऐसे.
हाँ तो लेकिन बटन इधर आ रहे हैं.
उल्टा है कि सीधा?
सीधा ही है. देखना ये देख.
Guys in the
इधर
comments.
इधर ऐसे फेस घुमा देगी इसका तो ये भी एक नॉर्मल शर्ट ही है.
I think both ways you can wear it. GPS lost.
Can we sit on these?
Yeah, this is cute, huh?
17,000.
Yeah, reach है.
Comfortable?
Very.
Look at this. तो सस्ता भी है.
8,000 का.
ओह.
Yeah.
This is very nice.
It's just for 99.
99.
Black is. Lost my friends. I don't know कहाँ चले गए. You look at this mirror. Wow. Look at the crowd. It's so fucking crowded over here.
मतलब वहाँ तक एक बार पहुँच गए ना,
गलती कर दी
ऐसे ही तो नहीं, कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा
I
पक्का हो
am
रहा है.
vlogging.
You're talking.
So
And you're always talking about interesting stuff.
वही आ गया.
We found stationery.
I'm going to buy you these fake ass flowers on your wedding.
Hanging planters.
भाई तो
तो सब इधर उधर देख रही हो और क्या कर रही हो? ठोक रही हो लोगों को.
ठोक रही है तो लोगों को, सामान को. तो कुछ भी तूने तोड़ा, सिद्धार्थ कॉम्प्लेक्स में मिलना हमको. This is huge. What is this?
That's what she said.
अरे you know what this is? The furniture and all that you see ना,
हाँ.
जैसे हमने बेडिंग सेक्शन में देखा वगैरह, यू टेक द कोड्स एंड देन यू स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग इट योर. वहाँ पे पूरा तेरा सेट बना के रखा रहेगा. यू जस्ट हैव टू पिक इट अप एंड पुट इट इन योर ट्रॉली.
That's disgusting.
व्हाई इज दैट
So
डिस्कस्टिंग?
much efforts यार. घंटा इतना.
हाउ आर दे गोइंग टू सॉर्ट थिंग्स?
I just take the code I'm going to give you and I'm going home. Get it delivered. Sort your own logistics.
That is also an option. तो उसके लिए then you have to pay extra maybe.
ये भी डालना ठीक है.
Hey, can you shut up?
Forum you took this?
Yeah, I showed you, na, no?
No.
I showed Shashank.
Yeah, she showed me.
अभी क्यों वो लोग अगर ये करके दे रहे हैं?
Forum
फिर
bought a
delivery-
brush. Forum bought a brush to brush her dirty teeth
हाँ.
Funny.
Brush करें.
and face. Dirty face. Won't help much, but fine.
ए कांच का है सब. मारूंगी देखो.
कांच का सिर्फ मेरा सामान.
और
ये-
मेरा? It's
क्या
Sam.
ये भी है.
ये शशांक प्लीज.
ये तो प्लेट है ना.
लेकिन
तूने ये लिया एट लास्ट.
क्या?
ये बाउल
हाँ.
जो मैं बोल रहा था चखना खाने के लिए.
लिया मैंने.
यार मम्मी फोन नहीं उठा रही हो.
Not even your mom is receiving your
I'm
calls.
really hungry.
मत बिगड़ वी आर फाइनली डन एंड अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं. हम लोग को ऑलमोस्ट 4 आवर्स लगा है यहाँ पे एंड पैर की वाट लग चुकी है बहुत ही ज़्यादा. वी कैन नॉट लाइक वॉक. वी आर सुपर टायर्ड एंड नाउ वी विल गो आउट टू ईट समथिंग. ऑफ कोर्स वी आर हंग्री and then I'll show you guys everything that I got. I did not get like a lot of stuff because I was just taking it all in and देख रही थी क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं and I didn't want to make an impulsive buy, so I did not. But I have a lot of things in my mind that I want to buy, and once I go back at home I'll see things that I actually need and then I'll come again and buy. That's the plan. So we are back and I have got this bag of IKEA and I'm going to show you everything that I got. मतलब मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं खरीदी. Like I said, I didn't want to do an impulsive buying sort of a situation because I know I do have a lot of stuff on me and I don't have enough space. IKEA में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, no doubt, but probably when I take a bigger space, I will buy those things. But I still have a checklist that मुझे जाके लेनी है. So just a tip here, what I personally feel is if you've never been to IKEA and if you stay far away, then just go with a list that you want to buy, like things that you would genuinely need, so that you don't get confused because IKEA has a lot of options and वो हो जाता है that you are like अरे मुझे ये भी चाहिए था शायद but नहीं मुझे ये भी चाहिए था. So I refrain myself from doing an impulsive buy, like I said, and I've got just a few things which I thought I may like it and I will probably use it. So I'm gonna show you all those things, starting from this watch that I got. It's a cute little watch. It's not a watch, it's a clock, sorry. Starting from this clock which I got, it's a white clock and ये heavy भी नहीं है, like you see it's quite हल्का. I think it's made out of plastic if I'm not wrong, and I got this only for $159, so I thought this was a great addition because I don't have a clock here yet. Just talking about impulsive buying, मैंने ये dish washer ले लिया. because I thought I may need it, and also I love the black color of it so much. But I don't think ये use होता है because जो brush है, my mom said it's too harsh or too rough to actually clean plates, and they'll like leave scratches. So this is probably going to be of no use. The next thing that we have here is this 6 set ka bowl, which is like pastel in color. There's blue, grey, pink, white, yellow and sea green color, and I am in love. But again, I didn't have any use of these because I already own a lot of bowls, but then the color was so cute that I had to get it. And इसके साथ I got matching spoons. Like, can you believe, पूरा pastel spoons. I mean, shoot वगैरह करना है जब, तब ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है, which is the main reason I sort of got it, because use में तो मुझे इतना आने नहीं वाला. I'm probably just gonna keep it for shoot. You can't even imagine the price of it. 6 bowl का set costed me around 158 rupees, and these sets were priced for 19 में 4 spoons. So almost 19 plus 19, 38 में I got like 8 spoons. मेरा maths बहुत weak है. 38 में I got 8 pastel spoons. I mean, this was a steal, and well, if you're going there and if you like something of these sort, then you should definitely get your hands on it. So the next thing that I got is this mug. Again, I am in love with this color. It's a beautiful bluish color. So जो spoons वगैरह देखे, they were plastic, but this is proper ceramic cup and काफ़ी like weight में भी है ज़्यादा heavy. And this one I got for I think around 150 के आसपास ही I got this, and there were so many other colors in this and different shapes. So again, very good purchase. It's just plain solid color, but that's how I like it, so I got this for myself. Along with that, I got these plates which are really heavy. ये proper एकदम ceramic के plates है, and I sort of made a mistake in buying just these two, because वो पूरा जो set होता है of 4 plates, bade plates, 4 quarter plates and 4 bowls were for 2000 only, and this two alone costed me around 400 rupees, मतलब 200 rupees each. तो मैं वो पूरा set ले लेती तो बहुत अच्छा पड़ता था, like the entire set. Even my mom said the same thing, but then I didn't think of it that way. So anyway, next time के लिए वो ले लेंगे. But these are again of great quality, and just the color itself is so beautiful. I cannot wait to have my meals in these plates. And the last thing that I got, I mean, you don't want to see this, but in case मतलब interest आता है तो I got this dish drainer. I didn't have one, so I just got this, and जैसे ही मैं लेके आया मैंने तुरंत ही इसको यूज़ करना चालू कर दिया. So थोड़ा already dirty हो चुका है. I could not like wait because I didn't have anything to keep my clean dishes in, so this was perfect, and I think I got this for around 200 rupees, 200-250 के बीच में ही है. Along with that, my friends have got a couple of things more, like there are planters and there's like bed sheets and everything that they got. They are loving it too. I wanted to get more planters too, but I didn't get of my desired colors. But anyway, all of those things are for next time. And I think this is about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!